if you flip this upside down, you'll get number 2 upside down. You'll get something like this. Okay? Okay. So we'll call this family the number 2 upside down. So you can write on top and then capital C coming down. Okay? So practice this on your chalkboard is very simple and easy. You should memorize it. So again, the reason we call this family number 2 upside down, because if I turn these letters upside down, it gets a number. We get number 2. Okay, see, number 2. Okay, now let's change the sounds of this letter by adding dots. Again, like I said, like we did with the boat family, they're not going to look alike once we add the dots. So the first one gets a dot below. We call him Jim. Jim. So this guy, he's at the gym. Just remember, he's at the gym. He's practicing. So he's at the gym. His name is Jim. Jim. The second one doesn't get a dot. Actually, he just got back from the gym and he's very, very tired. So he's panting. He's like, he just got back from the gym, so he doesn't get a dot. He's tired. So we call him ha. It's like you expel the air out, like you have a dry mouth or dry throat, out of thirst. We call him ha. So the third one gets a dot on top of his head because he's been naughty and he doesn't want to go to the gym. He refuses to do any activity, or any useful activity. So he's very naughty. So we'll put a dot on top of his head. See, now it changes. So this guy is very mad, he's making very weird noises. So we'll call him kha. We call him kha, like clearing of the throat. With mouth open. Okay, see, it's easy. It's not that hard.